Good evening. A little weather diversion for you here because we don't have big weather problems to talk about. So let's just talk for a few minutes, say hello to each other, and just see what the forecast holds. Look at a couple of pictures and chat about a little bit. Adam Ripley, good to see you. Heather Angel Young, welcome. Thomas Carlucci, welcome to the fold. Hello, Deborah Lynch. Hello, Celine the airport queen. Hello, Margaret Fun Rose from Northeast. And Heidi Sunshine, long time. Welcome back. Chatty Cathy, good to have you here from Youngsville. Al, long time no see. Captain Sam, good to see you. And so I think the thing that's going on tonight is the wind. That's the thing for tonight. Karen M., good to see you. Julie M., good to see you. Lisa Bryson, welcome back. And Scott Baker, yeah, I sent you an email. If you got a total for me, feel free to share that because I love snow totals. Give me an email if you got a number or numbers for me. Kayla, welcome back to the fold. Good to see you. And Frank, welcome. Lisa Fogel, Bank of Banks, hello. And Denise from Sparty. All right, so since I don't have a ton of time, hey, Mary, always good to see you. Thanks for checking in. And Debbie, thanks for being a part of the show. Here we go. Little breeze in Girard, G-Town. I do love snow. And I'm looking for good numbers. And thank you for all the work that you guys do over at the airport because, darn it, we're going to get it right, no matter how many phone calls it takes. So you see the wind out of the south. That's got to tell you two things. Number one, there's going to be wind. There's going to be stronger wind. And number two, the temperatures are going to go up tonight. Got some wave clouds. That is so cool. Wish you had a picture. Rick, hello. Shirley, long time no see. Grand Bahama. Cruising better than, I guess, shoveling, right? Okay. Good stuff. So we got wind picking up. We got temperatures that will rise up, clouds that will increase, and a little bit of precipitation, but it's more, the Arctic front isn't strong. It'll drop the temperatures plenty, but it doesn't have a lot of lake effect with it. Tim from Wickenburg, how's things in Arizona? Good to see you, sir. So, yeah, welcome to the show. It's kind of a diversion. Let's see. All right. So that's good. Yeah, drive safe. Speaking of that, okay, this is picture number one. And picture number one is all about not driving safe. I mean, my friend David sent this to me. Okay, wait a minute. Something, I don't know. You might want to clean it off just a little bit more. This is from the big storm. This is for you, Tim, because I know you don't have to deal with this stuff. But as Rick said, drive safe. And a lot of cleaning up going on, obviously, and we got snow totals for you, too. So that's why I say, Scott, if you got something, send something. Chris Gaggs, always good to see you. Yes, a little bit of melting. Well, it's heavy, wet snow because the shoveling's a big pain, but not a lot of melting because it's going to freeze right back up again tomorrow night. We'll show you that in a second. Eric, great to have you here. Margaret, nothing really exciting me. Gene, hello, great to see you. Bitter wind, yeah. See, well, it might get to 41, but the wind will make it feel colder, so you might, melt a little bit tomorrow. And then, yeah. Hey, Nikki, how are you? Was it a Coles night? Did you take a kite to Coles? And now, isn't this crazy? I mean, isn't this crazy? So, you know, what's the rule for the flooding when the road covers or the water covers the road? Turn around, don't drown. Um, we got to make one up for this one. Um, if you don't brush it aside, stay inside. I don't know. I don't know. It's just a thing, you know. Don't do it. It's crazy. All right. There you go. All right. Who else? Patrick, good to have you here. Uh, Lots of beautiful snow. And I'm just like Patrick. We want more. We're way behind. Freezing rain. Not good. Hopefully none of it comes here. When are we going to have another one? I wish you would tell me, Tina. Tell me when we're going to have another 1 to 2 feet of snow, please. I would love to know that. I can't see it with this next Arctic blast. The winds just aren't right. All right, now here's another important snow emergency picture for you. This is from David. Do this if you have a fire hydrant on your property. Uncover it. Uncover the snow. So this is very important. First responders and all that stuff. This is good stuff. Thanks to David. He calls himself, well, he was a police officer. And I don't know if he's retired yet, but this is good stuff just to remember to do, right? It's on the to-do list. All right, what else? Who else? How else? How can we continue to spend our time wisely? Yeah, Tina, talk to me, please. Tell me where we're getting another round. I know we're getting another round of cold, but I don't see any big snow. All right, Tim in Arizona, rain this morning. Yeah, the blood wears a little thin when you go out there, doesn't it? What else? There you go. That's perfect, Denise. Crazy or lazy? All right, I like it. Awesome. Uh, it's not going to melt a lot. They'll settle. The snow will settle. But if you got, well, we got numbers. I love numbers. So we're counting up some numbers. And one of these has to be added to because they got another half an inch. And it's the one right off the bat. So airport is 16.7 now for the total. Thanks to Mary Kay in Meadville, 16.5. Warren Fire Department, City of Warren, 13.1. Lore in the borough, 17.5. Becky, I don't know if you're on here tonight. You people know how to measure snow, and I thank you. 19 inches in French Creek, and my weather watcher, Liz in Corey, at 20. You're not going to melt a lot of snow if you've got a base like that, okay? So, but yeah, Tina, talk to me. I got to find out who's saying this stuff. I'll tell you why I don't think it's going to do a whole lot. Look, yeah, we're half of normal halfway through the winter, and we've had enough. That's great. Adam Ripley from Waterford agrees. I'd love another 2 feet of snow. Joanne, good to have you back. Chatty Kathy says no. Is it Sade? Am I saying it right? Like the singer? That would be so cool. She doesn't want more snow. Yeah, Elaine hates wind. I don't like wind all that much either. 19 inches. Thank you for that report. The bay is slowly freezing. That's an observation, not a recommendation. So, just so you know. Zazo, what do you got? Are you in Erie? Are you Mill Creek? Wow, I got one right. Barbara Grove, how you feeling? Good to have you. Miss Karen, long time no see. How are you? Julie, long time no see. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you. Can I use that? Are these totals for you, Scott? For the whole storm? By the zoo. Okay. Gotcha. Appreciate it. Um, the bay can freeze totally. I'm just saying that because I don't want anybody going out there and falling through. I mean, it just started to freeze, so I don't trust that. Um, that is awesome. I love it. Jen Young, you snuck in here. Jen Forever Young is in the room. All right. Okay. You're talking meteorology. Oh wow. End of the month. Okay. I don't do end of the month. That's too far from me. All right. Yeah, some people here got close to 24. Guy up in Northeast, close to the interstate, got 23. And there was a Union City, Julie G. Are you here? You had 22. Oh my gosh, Angelina, how are you? Are you bored tonight? Is that why you're on this show? Angelina is part of the Jet staff. So, how's Izzy doing tonight? Tell Izzy to say something. I wish this was a video chat. All right. Um, well put, Chatty Cathy. Thank you, Scott. Jen Downtown is here. So those are some numbers for you. So where do we go from here? Um, let us find out. Let us decide. Just got just some real interesting pictures from people, and I'm going to throw them on the Jet show and the Fox show, and also the nightcap, for those of you who know what the nightcap is and support the nightcap. Now, this puts things in perspective. You guys going, oh, no more snow. All right, listen. This is 19.5 is the average to this date for the month of January. We have 20.3, all because of what just happened yesterday. But look at the season here. We have 27.4. Normal is 55.5. So for those of you that hate snow, we're half of normal. Okay. Tell Izzy hi from me. Hope she's doing all right. Great to have you on the show. Both of you. All right. So just wanted to point that out. All right. Got to get my stuff together here, which is always a problem. Yes, you do. And thank you for your pictures from West County. See, you guys ski. You know. I love that. Mm. Yes. And, if I get the heads up that it's actually safe, I'll let you guys know. But I don't recommend any of that stuff this early. Thank you. Thank you, Queen. Yeah, there's nothing normal around here. Oh my gosh. The nightcap is fun. Thank you for that plug. And thanks to Fawn's neighbor for plowing her out. All right. So that's the snow situation. All right. And I know I'm losing time here. Sherry Meter, Crystal River Greeter. Hey, if you guys that hate snow, just go down where Sherry lives in Crystal River. A little bit different scenario there. My gosh. How warm was it in Florida, Sherry? All right. I should show your weather camera from the resort down there. That'll warm you up, or them, or whoever. Charity Keith, hello. Thank you for being here. Blystones are in the house. Hello. 28. You're not attracting any. 28 this morning. You guys are cold. 28. Wow. That's like what it was this morning here. Thank you. It was a very long day yesterday, and obviously I have some coffee tonight. 28 again tonight? Oh my gosh. Oh, the world's gone mad. All right. Okay. Got to talk a little weather. Got to give you a 7-day. This could go on forever. Thanks for being a good crew tonight. You guys are great. We could talk forever. Now, here's the winds. All right, this is a factor up to 18. These are the steady speeds. 18. Okay. Here's the wind chills, making it feel like 16. And let's see, do I have anything else I could share? Um, uh, I think that's pretty good. Well, current temperatures right now, Blystone, Blystones are related to a guy that used to do weather here, if it's the same family. Dr. Dave Call used to be a weekend meteorologist here 20 years ago. Married Nicole Blystone. And now he's a doctor. He's got his doctorate. He teaches meteorology at Ball State in Indiana. What a great guy. So I don't know if you're related, but thanks for being here. Lowest dew point ever recorded. Holy mackerel. That's a great question. I have no idea. It's usually um, what's the highest? And it was like 93, right? In that place in Saudi Arabia. I mean, you just melt. You just go outside and implode in sweat. 29 in Erie, 24 Meadville, 23 Franklin, 24 Warren. But with the south winds, the temps are just going to go up tonight. So you got that going for you. And temperatures right now around the country, 42 in Jacks. All right, Sherry, I'm kind of getting to be a believer here. It's only 14 away from 28. Tim, 66 in the greater Phoenix area. What'd you guys get up to today, you out-of-town Sunbelt people? Oh, Dave Call, who is my husband's cousin. See, it's all related. It's crazy. What time is the weather nightcap? I try to get on by 1 a.m. Eastern time, which would be 10 your time. I don't always make it. So you got to 69. Jack's only got to 60. All right. Such as it is, you know. All right. Another thing I wanted to show you, we always talk about, well, you know how January turned. Here's pig stinks from our own Patty on the nightcap. So this is what we call the real Arctic air. And in December, it stayed up there. But in January, it has started to seep into the northern United States, and I guess get cold enough so that, you know, places like Jacksonville can get down to 42. Nolan's currently at 53, Atlanta at 44. So the cold air is seeping south. So what I did is I ran a 7-day forecast kind of here. So just look for the pink. That's the only thing you want to find out about. So we get this little break today. See, we're kind of on the cusp of the dark blue. And then all of a sudden, watch that. Boom, get a little shot. Gets cold Thursday and Friday, highs near 20, but not a lot of lake effect. The winds are just not a favorable direction. And then over the weekend after Friday, it kind of recedes just a little bit. There it goes, back into the blue. And then on Sunday, it starts to come down. And then watch this. Boom goes the dynamite. Or in this case, boom goes the Polar Express. So next week, and maybe this is what you're talking about, Thomas Carlucci, something for next week. But I don't see a lot of snow for this week. But obviously, this is just here to show you that the pattern is a lot different this month, if you haven't noticed, you know, than last month. All right. Karen D, good to see you. All right, Tim, thanks for joining in. Great to see you. All right, so here's the deal. Next 48 hours. Southerly winds are to get very strong tonight, and they're going to make the temperatures go up. Then you got this little dinky precip just kind of scooting in. So you might get a little mix in the morning there, or a few rain showers or sprinkles. And it's not a strong precipitation maker, but watch the winds. See the red? Now watch this, purple, blue. And notice the contours here. They're all coming down out of the northeast. That's not a favorable wind direction for lake effect snow in Erie. It generally moves over to Ohio for that. So that's why I say I don't think we're going to get a lot of lake effect snow, but I think the temperature is going to be around 20 for Thursday and for Friday. Okay. David, good to see you. You got a clear sky out there? Still dropping, huh? Getting some wind in Washington Township? All right, so here's the 7-day. And there you go. Windy, you get up to 39. You have this little rain and snow shower thing. Boom, there it goes. Few snow showers, not heavy Thursday, only 20. Good deal of sun, no snow showers, cold. 19 Friday. Saturday, rebound. And then you've got some light stuff in here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. It's still below normal temperatures, but these are not looking like big precipitation makers either. So I guess we'll have to wait and see if something comes down, like I was just showing you next Wednesday. Looks like it could get pretty wicked cold. So that will probably be the next shot. Any other questions, comments, ideas, things you want to share for the good of the order? As I said, if you don't turn into a pumpkin at midnight, we'll do this all over again. I'll try to give you more time just because this was so quick. And it's the day after the storm and people are still going nuts. So I thought I could get ahead, and I couldn't get ahead as much as I wanted to, but I wanted to sneak this in for y'all because you're all so kind, and why not talk weather even if there isn't weather? All right. All right. So love the Insomniacs. Thanks, Denise. Glad to have you here. So take care of yourselves and each other. I'll be back here in about 3 to 4 hours doing the same thing. We'll be on Jet and Fox. Jen at 10 and the two JMs at 11. Jill McCormick, Jen Mobilia. And, of course, Jay will be doing sports. So we'll have a lot of fun. All right. Thanks for everything. And talk to you guys next time you come by. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great night. Take care.